and I wanted to start out the year right. I wanted to, you know, this is my birthday party, but it's just showing my gratitude sa inyong lahat for always being there for me. Tulad yung sina Ray, I mean, hindi kami nakikita lagi, but you know I have a brother.
Love you, brother!
But everyone, you know, I'll always be here para sa inyo, and I'm glad you guys are here. Of course, you know, the inspiration of my life, si Miss Julia Barreto. Siya talaga may gusto mag-party, but yeah. No, I'm very thankful for you. Alam mo naman yan. And, yes! Sana uminom pa ako, hindi ako sana. Yeah, yun. I just hope I'm a better man because of you. And I try to be a better person because of all of you.